Hello, 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 hello. Hello, 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 hello. Hello, 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 hello. Is my mic audible, guys? Hello. Are you guys able to hear me? Is my mic audible, guys? Okay, so my mic is perfectly fine and moment. So okay, let's start. Okay, so namaste, hello, and welcome everyone to the stream today. And this is your host and your educator friend Saksham this side, and we will be looking forward to the stream and whatever time zone you are. Good evening, good morning, and let's begin with another project, which is Meta Pioneers. So basically, this is definitely you have already read about the stream topic, which is project analysis, and we will be looking forward to Meta Pioneers. So let's look into the project and let's see whether the project is what are the mission and vision of the project and what is the difference the project is creating. Last time we have analyzed Go mining. We analyzed Go mining project, which was definitely interesting project. And yeah, we will not talk much about that. You have to watch that stream for that. So let's continue with this stream and let's see what Meta Pioneers has for us, right? So let's look into the project and let's see what we have for the project. Okay. So we'll quickly start with the basics, which are definitely opening the coin market cap and then looking forward to the initial project, right? Just give me a moment, guys. I have to check with my light. So let me just a second. Okay, now it's good. You can see me clearly, and the camera is also looking. Let's start the stream, and you can see the current market cap is currently standing at $1.13 trillion, which is definitely an add-on to the stream, and I'm basically looking forward to get into more analysis for this and the market recently reached $1.16 trillion, which was kind of like okay thing, but as of now it's definitely on a lower side. It reached almost 28,000 and then 26,000, 27,000 below it again came, but let's not look into that further. We will cover that in other streams. Today we will be looking forward to Meta Pioneers, right? Quickly. MPI, this is the project which we're looking forward to, and let's open the charts and let's see. So basically Meta Pioneers is currently having a price of almost 0.00487, which is not on a higher scale, because I think this is it has a lot of supply, so that's why the price is low. But I think basically the price will be high, but we have to look into that what the project does, what is the long term objectives of the project to get into the blockchain industry, right? So let's start with that and let's have a look into it. So basically, if you see that the current volume of the project is getting almost like 50,000. If the project is not listed in a lot of exchanges, then 50,000 is considered to be a very good volume. So let's have a look into it and let's see where the project is listed. Yeah, as I was expecting earlier, that the project is only listed on gate.io, PancakeSwap, and you can see. So these two platforms it has already listed, and Gate.io is the only decentralized finance who offers this token. So that is why the volume is, it seems to be low, but in my opinion, definitely the volume is very good, because $50,000 in a single day from a single exchange is definitely considered to be very good, right? If you talk about the market cap, it is currently standing at $2 million, and with the $2 million market cap, that token is generating a volume of almost $50,000 in a single day, which is definitely very interesting to see. But that does not end at all, so we'll look into further things as well. And we have a supply of almost, I guess, 10 billion tokens, so that is why the price is quite low. 48 million is the fully diluted market cap, which is nice. And with that, let's quickly look into, just a moment, I have to see one thing, which is mm, okay, no problem. So yeah, let's look into the website now. Let's see what the website has and what they do. Basically, the project is based on BEP20 BNB chain, which is definitely cost very much to introduce any project. So that is why the project is based on Binance chain. Let's have a look into the website so you can get to know more about the project, and I can tell you what the project initially does, right? So here is the website, MetaPioneers. With MetaPioneers, easily earn your passive crypto income. Revolutionize, revolutionizing, revolutionizing NFT through advanced DeFi NFT gamify strategies and an entertaining decentralized app, earning its use sustainable yield in perpetuity. Definitely, it looks very good and interesting to see. Let's see what it is. With MetaPioneers, easily earn your passive crypto income. What is MetaPioneers? It is launched the app to element trading NFT. Okay, so I think this is something kind of a staking pool, which we have earlier discussed in the last crypto project, which was Go mining. But let's have a look and let's see what the website has more about the project, right? So MetaPioneers, here in after referred to as MetaPi, is a decentralized application featuring NFT and plus decentralized finance elements with a combination of entertaining game features. It minimizes the long and harsh learning process and enables user to understand web3 via entertainment. So definitely it looks very interesting to see that the project is involved in decentralized finance, NFT, entertaining game features is like web3, not web3, it's like play to earn game seems like to me, and it minimizes the long term harsh learning process. Okay, so this is also used in the entertainment as well. So definitely it has a lot of varieties and options to look into for investor perspective. If you see from an investor's perspective, definitely it has a lot of things to offer, right? And focuses on longevity and consistency financially. It is an excellent combination of knowledge and technology for all Web3 and Web3 users. So it also provides entertainment services and education services. So it's like maybe you can learn Web3 courses in this thing. It's just like I'm just guessing as of now, but let's have a look and let's analyze it, and so that we can know more about it, right? Okay, so I'm just trying to open the. I'm just trying to scroll it down to check with the volume. Is it correct? Hello, hello, hello. Check. Okay, the volume is perfectly fine. I was just checking with the background noise if it's coming or not. The background noise is not coming at all. So we can continue and let's see. Okay. Why Meta Pioneers? Neither the single NFT market nor the gamify market lacks external profit circles of sustainability DeFi is a great organic revenue source. Definitely, if you talk about a lot of DeFi projects, you see that they are not providing any kind of sustainability, or you can say regular income. NFTs are only made for to make a hold on onto the project, right? But to be honest, that does not have much of a value in terms of longer period, right? So that is why it is written here that the long term perspective does not seems very attractive, or very promising to look into. DeFi is a great organic revenue source. Therefore, we have implemented the DeFi model in MetaPioneers. So they have used the DeFi model in the MetaPioneers network. Let's see how they have done it. I think the website. The economic system will reward players who get achievements in the game, and the NFT, the added fundamental elements because of the accumulated income of the crypto vault, which obtain the basic value, permanent profiting NFT, and at the same time, the ecology will be more stable and long lasting because it has the income support from the asset native to the industry. I guess this is we are not able to read it, so we try to look forward to it sometime. User purchase Meta Pioneers NFT, enter yield aggregator, generate income. I'm not able to see this screen. Let me open the white paper because I'm not able to see the screen clearly on that one. So yeah, that's making problem for us. Okay, so let's look into this one. The white paper looks good. Overcome human natures. This is good. So there are many typical user identities in the Web3 space, and Alice is one of them. Alice is eager. Alice is eager to learn all the fascinating concepts happening in the blockchain and world. She researches key topics and acquires a lot of knowledge, which makes her believe in the promise of decentralization. Alice is also aware of the different path she can take and the opportunities that exist in the new world of blockchain. However, turning this new knowledge into profit is much more difficult than she thought, especially in a bear market. Meanwhile, Bob is different. He did not spend all those grinding hours learning this knowledge, but rather followed a simple rule: buy in the bear market and sell in the bull market. By merely following this rule, he has accumulated tons of income. So, definitely, these are two perspectives which it is like they're presenting their white paper in a kind of story. So, we have two major characters here. One is Alice and other one is Bob. One is properly investing their time in knowledge, acquiring knowledge in the Web3 space, and then he's looking forward to investing it. But the other one, who is has a simple rule of investing: buy low, sell high. Okay, guys. So two perspective we have here, and Alice and Bob's story has been repeated countless times in the world of Web3, which is full of both winners and losers. So definitely, if you are gaining good amount of knowledge, you will be able to make good amount of money. And if you are buying low and selling high, then also you can make good amount of profit. You can make good amount of profit, right? They might not differ much in terms of income groups, and you might have a lot of Alices as your friends. A smart Alice might tell you the intricate strategies and techniques she applied in trades. Don't believe it, my dear Bob. So, one is definitely using its is her full mind to invest in the market, and the one is not using anything. It is just common sense. Buy low, sell high is the motto or motive, or you can say tagline. The key takeaways that we think are most important from a little story on different investing approaches are: overcome human nature. Don't be affected by the ups and downs of the market and give in to fear or greed. As long as you purchase at a low price and sell from high ground, you are fine. Definitely, if you are making less money, it's not a problem. Identifying macro market trends. This is the most important step of all. Nobody is smarter than the market. If you are a new or relatively passive investor, there is no need for in depth technical analysis. Understand where we are in the major market cycle, and if you invest in a project during a bear market, then you are much more likely to make a profit. Definitely, if you are a good investor and you have invested in the bear market, you will be earning money. To up to actions. So here is the Meta Pioneers introduction. Let's look into this now. This is good. The user interface is definitely interesting to see. MetaPioneers is a decentralized application featuring NFT and DeFi elements with an entertaining gamify user interface. It accelerates the long and difficult Web3 learning process and enables users to understand this technology in a fun and intuitive way while delivering a sustainable and consistent yield. So they are looking forward to make a prod basically project who will help you to understand the Web3 ecosystem, and side by side you can also earn your income by staking in the yield and with a consistent amount of returns on your investment. In MetaPioneers, users have in-game identities depending on which NFT they own, but users can advance to higher identity levels depending on their performance in the game. This is a collaborative game, and MetaPie is building a community both online and also in the real world where we can have fun and earn passive income together. So basically, you will be getting an NFT in this Meta Pioneer ecosystem, and you can use that to upgrade to new NFTs, or you can say new characters, to level up your skills and learn more about Web3 with a constant, consistent return on your investment. And definitely, they are also looking forward to build online as well as offline communication channels and communities where you can come together and participate and make money together, right? Most people concerns about investing in NFTs are the uncontrolled controllable nature of the price and the lack of liquidity. Definitely, if I was also not very sure when I entered the NFT market, and I only have invested like one or two NFTs, and then it was like I thought this is not my game, or I'm not able to do the NFT thing, so I left it. I am now doing the investing part. So yeah, some people think that way, that NFT does not hold enough liquidity and sustainability. That's why they leave the space. But yeah, some people on the other hand have made almost like 10x, 20x, or 100x maybe return also. I have seen those people. So it depends upon the person to person. So let's have a look on to other things. We are building next generation economic models. Sorry, MetaBuy is different, however, because it's an NFT collection earning its users sustainable yield in perpetuity, with its value supported by a set of underlying DeFi vault protocols. We are building next generation economic models that are most sustainable and robust for current and future Web3 users. All of our strategies are market tested industry infrastructures that will not fall apart due to cyclic effects and will return profit regardless of where we are in the market cycle. So, definitely, they are trying to make a sustainable ecosystem where the NFTs and the liquidity of those NFTs are very stable. So, you will be earning your profits in the bear market as well as the bull market. So there is a consistent and regular kind of income, or you can say passive amount of income, which will be generated by this NFT project, which you are looking right now. MetaPi NFT holders are owning future cash flow, which is much more reliable and valuable than the typical NFT investment because of the perks of its perpetually interest bearing feature. MetaPi NFT has sufficient value, anchoring its price and preventing the floor from dropping out like what happens too often in hype driven NFT projects. Given these fundamental utilities, we believe that whether you are a long term or a short term investor, MetaPi is an investment worth considering. So let's fleet team identities. This is the one. Fleet team identities in the infantry universe: the brave captain, first officer, crew member, and the MetaPioneers based lead professional prospectors to find and excavate rich mines resources. We migrated into MPI, the currency of the galaxy, are the same. So definitely you will be getting ranked NFTs and you can get more according to your rank. And you can also liquidate your NFTs. Definitely you can take the liquidation and you can convert those into MPI, which is MetaPi token. At the same time, there are extremely rare resources that get richer rewards. Crews are the interstellar identity for users to enter the Web 3.0 world of MetaPioneers. They are responsible for recruiting prospectors for mining and increasing income through upgrades, maintenance, blind boxes, etc. So basically, the crew members will be responsible for maintaining the upgradation, blind boxes, income resources, mining, and everything will be in their control. So it's like a proper kind of galaxy where you will be working as a team. Here is the captain, you can see as the leader and guide of for prospectors of the universe to travel through galaxies. The captain is unquestionably the most attractive position of the ship. His consistently leading prospectors of different regions in their search for treasure earns respect from various sides. Okay, I think we are very low. Just on. So, what are the benefits of being a captain? Here it is mentioned as of now. So let me look at it. Additional benefit. Okay. Okay. The rewards are precious for the captain position. Moreover, as an expansion person for the spaceship's route, if the captain discovers potential crew members, they will be assigned the first officer position certificate to prove their ability. Getting their promotion certificate to be sure takes good effort. Definitely, the captain can increase your chances of becoming a first officer, which definitely has some additional perks to it, and you will be definitely getting good money on that, right? So this is something kind of receiving good amount of things. So yeah, let me just additional benefits is the captain NFT. You will be getting that issuance of first officer promotion certificate. You can do that. Fleet dividend you will be getting, star dividend, captain race, and contribution value points waiting. So these are the things which you will be getting as a captain the ship, and you will be in charge of the whole team. looking forward to you. Here comes the first officer. As the successor favored by the captain, the first officer must try their best to prove their ability as captains. Only by completing certain contribution requirements then can a first officer be promoted to captain. First officers are also entitled to a share of fleet earning. So the first officer will be also getting a fleet earning and they can also participate in that. So and if you are capable enough to become a captain, then only you will be promoted as a captain. First officer NFT, you will be getting that. Fleet dividend you can take. You will be getting the contribution in that also. First officer race, definitely you will be competing with other officers to maintain your position and to promote yourself as a captain. These are all NFTs and this is kind of a game. The crew members. So here is the position, the captain, first officer, crew member. Each user comes to MetaPioneers with an initial crew role. When a user purchases a prospector NFT, he or she is given an exclusive crew ID and can start NFT staking and to recruit new prospector at the same time. So each crew member can easily invite the other crew members and prospectors to come visit and play, and you can easily put your NFTs to staking and let it earn, right? War high contribution value point system. Contribution value point system CVP is a visual measurement of fleet team member, captain, first officer, and crew member. Contribution value point is a visual measurement of fleet team members, captain, first officer, and crew members. Effort efforts toward meta pioneers which can be earned by yourself or by inviting others to participate. PVP generating action purchase performed by user referral less value user referral user. Okay, so it's like user referral most of the time. Referral works a lot. Fleet dividend, star dividend, and start raise are all related to contribution value points. User will get 100% contribution point for their individual actions and inviting others to get contribution points at a certain percentage. Meanwhile, the amount of increase in contribution point is related to meta-pioneers identities. When gaining contribution points, crew members can gain 50%, first officer gains 70% contribution points, and captain will have 100% contribution points. Definitely, if the captain is giving something, he will be looking forward to 100%, first officer 70, and crew member 50. Crew members are upgraded to first officers after reaching a certain level of contribution points, and similarly, first officers are upgraded to captain after meeting certain contribution points. So they mainly you will be having enough contribution points to promote yourself from a first officer to a crew member. From crew member to a first officer, and you're looking forward to become a captain after that over a certain percentage of, you can say, contribution points. For example, if Bob Set is his first officer and Bob invites Alice to Meta Pioneers, Alice will provide Bob with a large number of contribution points at once. She is promoted for crew member to first officer. But Alice will not accumulate new contribution points for Bob afterwards. So it's like if they are getting on a same rank, the contribution points will not be shared after that, and Bob will not get enough contribution points after that. So it's something like you started high and then you reached a certain level, and then your invitee also reach a certain level. After that, you will not be getting it's his commission, right? Okay, wallet is transferring. Contribution value points and referral rewards are related to the user's wallet address. Transferring the captain, first officer NFT will not transfer the contribution value and rewards already generated previously. However, the captain dividends and other events such as captain race, first officer race, the rewards are related to the NFT. So be aware when transferring one NFT to others. Fleet team promotion, crew member, first officer, the captain, crew member with excellent performance reward, opportunity to become first officer, which requires three conditions to be achieved: having a prospect NFT of any level, having one first officer promotion certificate and staking it, have earned at least 5,000 contribution value points. Promote from first officer to captain, 25,000 contribution points, staking a first officer NFT, which requires two conditions. These are the two conditions: access for captains to mint the first officer promotion certificate. The captains will have the opportunity to mint the first officer promotion certificate, which requires conditions to be achieved. Every 2,000 contribution value earned, captains can apply for mining one first officer promotion certificate. So after 2,000 contribution value points earned, you can apply for first officer promotion certificate. The prospector, the prospector are the most popular and profitable role in the universe. Every prospector has a different personality and skill set. Prospector do the hard work for the team by participating in various mining jobs around the universe. Although everybody knows it's a great adventure and hard work, the considerable profits make it all worth. So you will be reaching the to the prospector after the captain. So you will be in charge of the mining and all in the whole universe, and then you will be earning money for everybody. The attributes and appearance of each prospector NFT are unique. The attributes of the NFT can impact the mining efficiency. The prospector can be arranged in teams to do mining together and earn the income more efficiently. All the prospector NFTs are tradable on MetaPioneers NFT marketplace. Every prospector has three attributes: health, power, HP, precision, and speed. The HP represent the amount of time a prospector has until they have to repair their equipment. So it's like definitely normal, gaming experience where you get the HP, and when you lose your HP, you need a certain amount of time to recharge or fuel up your strength to start another session or mission, right? The precision effect, the earning of each mine site, and the speed affects the time required to fully mine each site. The attributes of each prospector are unique and random. About mining, the first time a prospector mines, the user needs to purchase a mining permit which has 30 mining opportunities. When a prospector is sent out to mine, they will consume one mining permit, and when the mining permit runs out, the prospector will need to replenish to keep it mining. So you will be sending the prospector. For example, you have become a prospector in the game. You will be sending out to different universe to mine and earn the money or the token, and then you will be charged almost like one minting permit, and then you will be able to mint on that particular area. Initial activation cost 230 USD, general prospector, master prospector 240, and mining pass 331 mining pass 30 times. Replenish HP value. These are the HP values. So yeah, these are the things. Acceleration, mining time fluctuates around the prospector speed level. When prospector was randomly given a slow speed level, you can consider to increase the speed level to earn more revenue more quickly. However, the cost of acceleration must be compared to the additional revenue obtained to determine. So according to your mine purchase capacity or speed, you can only and only mine at that particular speed. Set up a team leader. Set a prospector as a team leader to receive the mining share of their invited teammates. If prospectors decide to create a team and assign someone as the team leader, then the rest of the team will be able to share a portion of the team's rewards. However, you will be only receive a portion of the allocated team of rewards if you are the same or higher rank of the leader prospector. For example, if the team leader was a master prospector and if I was a superior rank, then I would not receive any of the team's reward because I am a lower rank than the team leader. In this case, everyone on the team would have to be a master prospector because that is the highest rank. You can have the NFT upgrades here. The random attributes, this is the NFT upgrade: general, superior, premium, expert, master. Upgrade consumption will be this amount of USDTs: 360, 540, 670, and 1000, and highest upgrade. After that master, you will become a highest prospector. You can earn a lot of income. Prop system, users will have the opportunity to get NFT boosting props to help their prospectors improve their overall mining efficiency. So you will be also getting a prop system, but yeah, this is on a coming soon basis. So this will be introduced very very soon in the ecosystem. Overall mining efficiency will be increased with this, and that's what we're looking for. MPI Vault Dividend Reward. By staking MPI, you will have the opportunity to earn great dividends via our innovative V app. Don't miss out this opportunity to maximize your earning. Celebrate with us, MetaPioneers MPI Vault Dividend Reward. Launch day April 20, time 2 a.m. UTC, which is already launched, if you see, and that is how we're looking forward. What is Vault Dividend Reward? Let's have a look at it, what it is. MPI holders can stake their MPI tokens to MetaPioneers D app to receive VMPI. The longer you stake, the more VMPI you get. The vault will take out a part of the fixed cycle income as a dividend reward, and the system will check it every week to calculate the reward share according to the real time proportion of the user's VEMPI. What is VMPI? Basic attributes. VMPI is a special rebase token. It is not transferable or tradable. Holding it will receive vault dividend rewards. Access condition: you must have a master level of prospector NFT and it's on staking activated status. How to obtain, which must be less than. Users can stake their MPI tokens into smart contracts for a period of up to 2 years. Based on the length of their staking period, they can receive a different proportion of VMPI tokens. The initial amount of MPI tokens staked in is N and the staking period is T1, which must be less than the maximum staking period of 2 years. The amount of VMPI tokens that the user can initially receive is calculated as VMPI and T1 max. And it's like a number of tokens, not token staked, into time divided by T max time, which on which you have staked your token. On that basis, you will be getting VMPI. There are 4 staking period options: 2 weeks, 6 months, 1 year, 2 year. We have 4 staking options in the platform. It's like 2 weeks, 6 months, 1 year, and 2 years. So I think 2 weeks can be an initial good try. Give it a try, and you can start earning and something like that. 2 weeks is definitely a good time. And here are the reward calculation rules: reward source, reward distribution, extend the staking time. You can also increase the amount of stake token, extend the staking time, and the rewards will be calculated according to that. So this is something kind of basic things which we have already know and which we have the knowledge about. So we will see the MPI tokenomics also. Total supply is $10 billion. Not sorry, 10 billion. It's like 10 billion, only 10 billion. Vesting period is 12 months. White list launch 1.5%. Team is having 10%. 6 month cliff followed by 4 year lead vesting. Liquidity 5% on DEX and CEX. Decentralized exchanges and centralized exchanges is like only 5% initial liquidity, which is a supply. Ecosystem fund 4%. 6 month cliff off for linear vesting. Community operations and marketing and events incentive is like 4%. Community 4%. VC is like all of which will be mined out is like 70%. So is the contract address, token name, token symbol, decimal, and chain. Now listed on PancakeSwap and Gate.io, right? So now let's look at roadmap is like okay, branding assets. So definitely sounds very interesting game. I have heard this game for the first time because it's like NFT gaming, but with a lot of staking options, which an investor can also look into. So this is something very interesting to see, and we can definitely have a look into this. Okay, just give me a moment, guys. Okay, so as I was saying that initially NFT players can NFT investors definitely would love this project to invest, but in other hand, the investors, the normal investors, would also love this. So yeah, definitely it is very very interesting. And now to let you know that how you can take part and how you can be how you can become an investor and how you can participate or get into this ecosystem, which is very interesting to see. Definitely you one first thing will be you can easily go to their website and purchase the tokens from there, or you can also download their decentralized app. But in the other hand, you can also come on to gate.io exchange and simply do simple steps as I've already told you guys multiple times the steps, but still we always get new members on the stream. So for them to understand the process will definitely help them out, right? So definitely you nothing you have to do, you just have to open gate.io platform. It's like 4.3 billion trading volume, definitely good. Registered users 13 million, strategy bot 15%, currency listed. Startups we also have this, but yeah, I was looking forward to MetaPioneers, right? So we'll have to click on this trade section, this here, and then you have to click on spot, and now you have to search here MetaPioneers. It's MIA, not MIA. It's like MPI. So here it is, MetaPioneers STT. Click on it, MetaPioneers, and it will open. So here is the chart. You can see the MetaPioneers chart. This is the daily chart. You can see there was a strong selling pressure at this area. I think the investors who were kind of bought from here or here, they have sold at these levels. That's why the volume and liquidity came down. But yeah, when the people saw there that it is a buying opportunity, they quickly grabbed it and they bought the token from initial levels of this. And now they are enjoying almost like a profit of you can say almost around 4 5% as of now, but it has reached almost like 20 25%. But yeah, again selling pressure came, but no problem. So as I was telling, this is the page which will be opened, and you can see 34% is the current return which the token is giving, right? So I guess almost like 100% return it gave. But let's quickly move, and you have to click on this USDT option. Click on, suppose let's have to buy for 1000 USDT. So this much amount of token you will be getting almost like 222,000 tokens you will be getting into your wallet, and then only you will be making supply. You have to just click on buy option. I have not logged in, so that's why it is showing login or sign up. But you have to just click on buy, and then the token will be automatically bought in the exchange. So this is the simple step from which you can purchase this token, and you can also become a MetaPioneer holder in your wallet, right? So as you know, what I was saying, yeah, these streams are not any kind of investment or financial advice, guys. This is a stream which was only and only made for entertainment and education purpose. So if you guys like the stream, don't forget to, if you guys enjoyed the stream, don't forget to like, and don't forget to follow me on gate.io. And for more such streams, just comment down below, so I will be getting to know that you guys have understood that what does the project do, and how it will benefit me as well as an investor, gamer, or NFT lover, right? So this was the basic things, and you can easily purchase this token, but definitely do your own research before any kind of investing. And if you like this project, you can become a community member, right? You can also become a crew member from the starting of the game, right? So with this being said, guys, I am just closing the stream as of now. I hope you guys have enjoyed and got some new information about the project Meta Pioneers. And let me just quickly check one thing which I always forget. Is the captain documentary launch the app. The decentralized launch app is also here. So it looks good. So here's the core team: project leader, marketing leader, product and strategy leader, operation partners, AC Capital, Block Tides, Omnichain Ventures, operations also here. And launch the app is like decentralized. This is the decentralized app. Looks very interesting. I don't know what is the count for, but yeah, definitely connect it. You can easily connect it with Trust Wallet, MetaMask, Token Pocket, Wallet Connect. So it's easy to connect your wallet as well into it, and then you can easily become a part of the community and get engaged in this, right? This is also very very interesting, and as you can see, you can easily get it on gate.io as well. To, so I will personally recommend you to purchase, if you want to take part and purchase this token, quickly purchase on gate.io firstly, and then you can easily transfer your money or your tokens into your wallets from gate.io easily, right? So this is was the stream, guys. As of now, we'll be closing the stream, and till then, see you guys tomorrow. And as I always say, stay safe, trade safe, and we'll definitely go to the moon. Bye bye, guys. See you tomorrow.